In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Blacktop court in 2K25. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing the Blacktop court in 2K25 isn't possible by default, so if you try to go over to the settings, you browse through all of the options, you will not be able to change it. As it stands today, you can only change it if you use mods, and these mods are only available on PC according to my research, so sadly if you are on console it is going to be impossible. However, if you are on PC, you will have access to mods like these made by the infamous NY, so you can find them on his Coffee website. So simply look for the infamous NY. He also has a YouTube channel, or you can look for Blacktop court mods. Now he is going to post them here, and some of them are going to be free. Others will be paid, so keep that in mind. But you can browse through the shop here, so click on shop, browse through all of the items, and once you find one that is free, for example, you can select it and choose the option to get it now. You will have to input your email address, but you can input a random one, and once you have this mod file, you need to install it inside of NBA 2K25. Now, for NBA 2K23 and 2K24, you have these tools that make the process much easier, but for 2K25, you will need to extract the mod files inside of the game folder. Sadly, for the video of this length, I cannot show you how it is done, so I just wanted to showcase how you can download these mods and let you know that it is possible, but only if you are on PC. If you are on consoles, you cannot download these mods to change the Blacktop court, so keep that in mind. If you are playing 2K23 or 2K24, then you can use the 2K tools available made by Louis. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.